Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. So I'm just outside waiting for Bear to do his business. He'll probably zoom past here in a minute. I'm headed to Michael's. They have I think they'll have some new fall items out. I am looking at possibly buying those really large lanterns, but I'm not quite sure yet, so I'll go in, take a look, and I thought I would share with you what I see. So I'll film the store for you guys and just some of the main things. I also am looking to see if I can get my hands on a happy planner that are selling for like I think $1.97 or so here in Canada. So that's the other thing I'm going to check. But I also have a haul to film for Dollar Tree, so I'll get to that as soon as possible as well. I hope you guys all have a wonderful weekend. First week down of school. First week down. Oh my goodness. So anyways, hope you all have a great weekend. Bye for now.
Another thing I wish that my Michaels would do one day is just like a grab bag or a grab box. You know those $4 ones? But this store definitely doesn't do that. So I don't even bother getting excited about it when I see it floating around. So taking a look here in the aisle with all the planners, I don't see any of their student boxes. So I will take a look at the clearance, but I had a feeling I wouldn't find it, but these are super cute, but I really don't need another planner for full price. And you can't apply coupons here at our store. These are everyday valued now. So I don't know, I just have to find, I think, a different planner because I really don't feel comfortable paying the full pop here, which I think is $30. So taking us down the fall area and take a look at the cute pillows. These are really popular, the little truck this year and last year too. And then I like that it has the little trim. Now that's like a digital print, and then some of them are actually stitched. So if you take a look at like the one that says Hey Pumpkin, there's actually stitching here. So some are a little bit better quality than others. Definitely neat to see the chargers here because we know that we can find like that faux wood charger at the Dollar Tree right now. These ones have like a beveling, which is really pretty, more traditional. I'll go down all these little this aisle here and go through the details of some of the signs. Lots of decor right now. Some really cute stuff. Some things that look quite similar to the ones we found at Dollar Tree as well. So like the little pumpkins. This is a really pretty pillow, and I love that it's like, again, stitched on fabric. Cute little boxes. So these are metal, and they're quite similar to the ones I had spotted at your dollar store with more for I think $12. So I mean, you could apply a coupon here and get it for a little less at one point too. Little truck with the sunflowers and pumpkins. Could add little lights to that, it would be cute. What a pretty sign. This one's cute too, sunflowers. Almost looks like a felt. Pretty candles. Hey, this looks like a little sign from Dollar Tree, which was a pretty good value than that we found. Those sold out really fast at my stores. Cute little owl, looks like, you know, old style plaid. Very traditional looking, old school. And this is a ceramic. It looks like wood, but these are cute little broomsticks. Continuing here, there's a lot of signs again. Some that look like, you know, the old school, what is it called, like a chalkboard. mason jar similar to the Dollar Tree one. You can transform. Oh, these little pumpkins. Oh, I like this. It's very nice, rustic. This little mini milk can would be cute with some faux floral little arrangement with pumpkins on it and stuff like that. Take a look at some of these signs. So many sayings, so many words, so many quotes. Oh, they had some really similar picks like this at Dollar Tree last week when I popped in, but it was smaller scale, like little acorns and pumpkins, but still, that's cute. Oh, these are similar to the ones at Dollar Tree. I think I bought a little bundle. These florals are also available at Dollar Tree right now, so if you need some accents in white, definitely peek into your store. Ooh, cute cotton wreaths. This is like my favorite. I love the whites and the blues together. It's just so classic and, I don't know, fresh looking. And some goodies hanging around the top shelf there. I love this little typewriter. Super cute. Help! Super cute little finds for a fairy garden, especially if you're making a Halloween themed one or even a fall themed one. There's quite a bit of a selection right now at your local Michael's. These little box displays are so cute. I just love them. The wizard hat is really pretty. I love the stars and the moons on them, or it's like a little headband, but it's easy to just put on your head if you're going to work or something like that. Oh, there's some fun ones this year. The kids sets. Now these sets are, well, the unicorn ones are at Dollar Tree right now. Some mermaid things, unicorn, bumblebee, ladybug, and also I think angel stuff right now. So take a look as well, because you could save yourself a bit of money. Oh, these are cute. This is completely new and renovated at my local Michael's. So they've expanded their open stock markers and pens, and I just love coming here, especially when I have a coupon, because I get to add to my collection. So I'm just going to browse through and see if there's anything that speaks to me, but I'm such a pen hoarder, so this is going to be hard. So this looks like the new home line decor. A lot of golds and kind of washed out pinks. I'm not, maybe like a shabby chic farmhouse, but I'm not sure the style, but it's super cute stuff, and she's just opening up boxes and putting them out, so I'm going to film a sneak peek here for you guys. Oh, and here's some of the older line that was out at the beginning of the summer months. And back to the new thing. So it's more like a French country look, maybe shabby chic. It's really pretty stuff though. This is the blue and white line that was out at the beginning. Okay, so I don't know what to do about these giant lanterns, but I really have to make a decision, so I'm going to just hang around here for a little bit and say goodbye to you guys. I hope you enjoyed walking through with me today. I do look forward to sharing some hauls with you guys very soon. So until next time, everyone, bye for now.